Hi everyone. So for this easy lace headband, we are going to be using a worsted weight cotton yarn. I am using Dishie, but really any worsted weight cotton yarn would work great for this headband. You will need some kind of hair elastic, an H5mm crochet hook, and you will need the written pattern, which is linked below. There's a free version on my blog or the printable PDF in my shops. So we're gonna get started with this hair elastic, and I'm going to be joining my yarn to this. So I'm gonna kind of insert my hook inside of it, and then I'm gonna take my yarn and pull it through the hair elastic. It's gonna be really loose. It's not secure at all, it's just kind of hanging there. And then we're gonna chain one. Still not secure, be really careful. Now, I'm gonna insert my hook into the hair elastic, pull up a loop, and then I have 2 loops on my hook. I'm gonna yarn over and pull through 2 for a single crochet around that hair elastic. I'm gonna do that 2 more times. Insert my hook underneath the hair elastic, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 single crochet. 1 more time. So my hook into that elastic, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and I have 3 single crochet on my hair elastic. So now I'm going to do some increases. So I'm going to work across this row now. Chain 1, we're going to turn, and then I'm going to place 2 single crochet in the first stitch. My chain 1 does not count. So here in the first stitch, I'm going to insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 1 single crochet. I'm going to do that again in the same stitch. So in the same stitch as this previous single crochet, insert your hook again, single crochet, and now single crochet in the remaining 2 stitches. Single crochet and single crochet. So now I have 4 single crochet. My stitch count went up by 1. I'm going to repeat that again for row 3. Chain 1, turn, again, 2 single crochet in this first stitch. Single crochet, single crochet. So there's 2. Now I'm going to place 1 single crochet in the remaining 3. Okay, now I have 5 single crochet. My stitch count is going to continue to go up by 1. So now in row 4, I'm going to repeat that again. Chain 1 and turn. Now place 2 single crochet in the first stitch. And then single crochet in the remaining 4. Now I have 6 single crochet. I'm going to do that 1 more time because I want to get to 7. I'm going to chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in the first stitch. And then single crochet in remaining stitches across. So now in row 5, we have 7 single crochet. So now we're going to get to the lacy section of the headband. So we're going to be using what's called the offset V-stitch. So it's a V-stitch, but you're not working into the chain 1 stitch. So if you've made a V-stitch before, you usually work into the chain 1 space. So this, we're going to actually be working into a double crochet. So we'll start with a chain 4. And this chain 4 counts as a double crochet plus 1 chain. And then we're going to turn. I'm going to double crochet in the same stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So there is my first V-stitch. Now I'm going to skip 2 and V-stitch in the next. So we're going to V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Skip 2, double crochet in the next, chain 1, and then double crochet again in that same stitch. So we have 2 V-stitches. Now I'm going to skip 2 and double crochet in the last stitch. So we have 2 V-stitches and 1 double crochet here in row 6. So I'm going to do one more row with these V-stitches. So I'm going to chain 4. Again, that counts as a double crochet plus a chain 1, turn, and then we're going to double crochet in this same stitch. Now I'm going to skip the next double crochet, and I'm going to skip the next chain 1, and I will V-stitch in the next double crochet here. So double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. So that's what makes it offset, is we're not lining up our V-stitches, they're worked into that double crochet instead of the chain 1 space. Now we're going to double crochet in the last stitch. So because the chain 4 counts as a double crochet plus a chain 1, the chain 3 is our double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, this is our last stitch. This is our first double crochet, our last stitch, which is double crochet. So I'm going to double crochet in that third chain in that chain 4. And that way we still have that chain 1 space and it still keeps it as a V-stitch. So there we have 2 rows of those V-stitches. Now I'm going to have 2 rows of single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the very first stitch here. The chain 1 does not count as a stitch. So chain 1 here, single crochet in the first stitch. Single crochet in the double crochet. Single crochet in the chain 1 space, single crochet in the next double crochet, and then here's the next double crochet. And this is that chain 4, which counts as a chain 1 and a double crochet. So I'm going to single crochet in the chain 1 space. I'm just going to insert my hook into this whole space here. Now I need one more because this chain 3 counts as a double crochet. So now I'm going to insert my hook into the chain and single crochet. So you should have your stitch count back to 7 single crochet. One more row of single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each stitch across, starting with the very first one because the chain 1 does not count. And here is the last one, and that is 7 single crochet. So this is your pattern repeat for the main section of the headband. So you're going to be repeating these 4 rows, the 2 rows of V-stitches and the 2 rows of single crochet. So repeat these 4 rows to the correct row for the size that you're making. I am making a child size, so I'm going to be repeating to row 31. If you're making the small adult, repeat to row 35. For the large adult, repeat to row 39. And you will be ending on this second row of V-stitches for your last row of the repeat. I repeated rows 6 through 9 to row 31 for this child size. For the child size, you will have 7 of these little lace sections. For the small adult, you'll have 8, and the large adult, you'll have 9 of those sections. So you will have ended on that row 7 repeat, that last row of those V-stitches. So now we're going to start decreasing for the other side of our headband and then bring it back to our hair tie. So for the next row, we're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're just going to single crochet across. Here's my last one, so I have 7 single crochet. Now we're going to make some decreases to make it get smaller and smaller so it matches the other side of our headband. So here in the next round, or row, I'm sorry, chain 1 and turn, and we're going to single crochet 2 together. So we're going to insert our hook into this first single crochet, pull up a loop. We have 2 loops on our hook, we're going to leave just those 2. I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. 3 loops on my hook, I'm going to yarn over, pull through all 3. So I just changed 2 stitches, I just merged 2 stitches into 1. Now I'm going to single crochet in the remainder. So you should have 6 single crochet. I'm going to repeat that again, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet 2 together. Insert your hook into that first stitch, pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And then single crochet in the remaining stitches. And now you should have 5 single crochet. Again, chain 1 and turn. We're going to single crochet 2 together. And then single crochet in the remaining 3. And you should have 4 stitches. So this is going to be our last row. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And I'm going to bring the hair elastic to where I'm working. I'm going to be connecting them. Make sure nothing is twisted. Everything is nice and flat. And when I work these stitches, I'm going to also be working them around the other side of this hair elastic. So when I insert my hook into the next stitch, I'm doing a single crochet 2 together again, into the stitches and under that hair elastic. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Again, insert my hook into the next stitch and under that hair elastic. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3. The next stitch, single crochet, insert your hook into the next stitch and under that hair elastic, pull up a loop, single crochet, 1 more, and single crochet. Now I'm going to fasten off. All done here. Yarn over, pull that through, and there we have our headband, or the base of it at least. We still have some finishing touches left. So now we're going to work on the border or the edging on either side. So I'm going to be working along the long end, the long side of my headband. So here is this first row of single crochet right before these V-stitch rows. So I'm going to insert my hook here, the end of that row. And it doesn't matter which side you're on, just as long as it's a single crochet row right next to those last V-stitches. I'm going to pull my yarn through. I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to single crochet in that space. Now I'm going to be single crocheting evenly across. So I'm going to make 2 single crochet per double crochet and 1 single crochet per single. So this is the side of a double. So I'm going to place 2 single crochet. I'm just going to work them into a space that makes sense. There we go. Just the insert into that stitch, single crochet. Here's the top of that double. I'm going to insert my hook there, single crochet. Here's the post of that next double. Insert your hook, single crochet. Here's the top of the next double, single crochet. So here's my next single crochet row. I'm going to insert my hook here and place 1. Here's the second single crochet row. Insert your hook here, place 1. So we're going to do this all the way across to the other side. So here's a next double crochet. So I'm going to place 1 in the post, and then one near the top of that stitch. And then here, one in the post, and one near the top. Now single crochet in the end, just one single crochet here at the end of the single crochet row, and then one single crochet at the end of this one. So repeat that all the way to this first row of single crochets before it starts to connect to the other side of the hair elastic. So repeat that all the way to this row here, right before we have those decreases. So here I worked one single crochet all the way across, and now we're going to do our little scalloped border on this side. So we'll start with a chain 3 and turn. To make the scallops, we are just going to skip one stitch. So I'm going to skip this next stitch here, and in the next I'm going to slip stitch. I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch, pull the yarn through the stitch and through the loop of my hook, and there we have a little scallop for our border. I'm going to chain 3, skip 1, slip stitch in the next, chain 3, skip 1, slip stitch in the next, chain 3, skip 1, slip stitch in the next. So we're just going to work this all the way across here for this scallop border. So I worked that all the way across, and I have one stitch remaining. I'm just going to leave that unworked. I'm just going to go ahead and fasten off because this part of the headband will not really be seen. It's towards the back. So I'm just going to fasten off and just leave this last one unworked. All right, so there is our border for one side with this simple little scallop edging. So now we have to repeat it for this side of our headband. So when we did this one, we joined to this end of our headband. I'm going to join to the opposite side just to be sure that my stitches are facing the same direction. I want all the stitches facing up that are facing right side on this side to be the same for this one as well. So I'm going to be joining over here. So this is where my last row ended, and that is where I'm going to insert my hook to that last row single crochet right next to those V stitches. I'm going to join my yarn here and repeat these 3 rows of edging on this side. So I repeated that for the other side of my border, and I fastened off, woven all my ends, and now we have this adorable stretchy lace, easy lace headband. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.